Dear students, good morning to one and all. My name is Dr. Nallumma. I am working as a associate professor at SNS College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences. I am handling this POC 1 and Pharmaceutical Organic Chemistry 1 area practical. And this practical, today we are going to learn the synthesis of aspirin. So we can say the synthesis of acetylsalicylic acid is very simple preparation. So you think this aspirin is only very essential for this pharmacology? Yes, it was very essential drug, and it can be used as an anticoagulant and antipyretic, and it has another major pharmacological activity. So anyway, today we are going to see about the synthesis of aspirin. So you can see here the starting material. What are the chemical we are going to use as a starting material here? One is salicylic acid, another one is acetic anhydride. These are the starting material for the synthesis of acetylsalicylic acid. So this acetylsalicylic acid is a synonym for aspirin. So you can see the equation. So this salicylic acid was allowed to react with acetic anhydride. So this salicylic acid allowed to react with acetic anhydride. So in presence of this sulfuric acid, H2SO4, and it is providing the acidic medium, and it will give this acetylsalicylic acid and acetic acid. With the help of other purification method, we can remove this acetic acid. So finally, we can get the pure product of acetylsalicylic acid. So in this practical lab, we have to select round bottom glass. It should be dried and clean round bottom glass. Okay, we need to take. In this step 1, you have to weigh accurately 3 grams of salicylic acid. 3 grams of salicylic acid you have to weigh and transfer into 250 ml round bottom glass. Then we have to add the second step, 6 ml of acetic anhydride. So, analytical grade acetic anhydride we are adding. We have to measure exactly 6 ml of acetic anhydride and transfer into this round bottom glass. Then step 3, we have to add 4 to 5 drops of concentrated sulfuric acid in your round bottom glass. So after adding these 3 to 4 drops of sulfuric acid, we have to mix properly the content. Then we need to allow to boil for at 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. The duration can be 50 minutes. So I am repeating the same step once again. First, we have to take the 3 grams of salicylic acid and transfer into 50 ml round bottom glass. Step 2, we have to measure exactly 6 ml of acetic anhydride and transfer into the same round bottom glass. You have to mix it well, followed by we have to add this 4 to 5 drops of sulfuric acid. Then we have to mix it well. Then you have to boil the content at 50 to 60 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes duration. Then the content, okay, after boiling enough, I mean after 15 minutes, okay, we have to transfer the entire content into another 250 ml beaker, which one contains 50 ml of ice cold distilled water. You got it? So here we need to maintain the temperature for 50 degrees Celsius. So with the help of thermometer, we need to maintain the suitable temperature around 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. So here we need to prepare this ice cold water. I mean, when you are adding this ice cubes in the distilled water, we will get ice cold water. This container we need to take 50 ml. So the boiling container, the mixture of salicylic acid and acetic anhydride and sulfuric acid and then we need to transfer into this beaker already contains 50 ml of ice cold water. Then we will get a white color precipitate of acetylsalicylic acid. We have to mix it well. Then after 15 minutes, we need to do the filtration. After filtration step, we need to dry enough fluid product. Then we can weigh finally. Then after weighing, we can complete this percentage yield of aspirin or acetylsalicylic acid. So this is the way we can do this synthesis of acetylsalicylic acid. So finally we got the final product of aspirin. So in this stage we are going out for that. Thank you all. Next.